Roll out of bed, before your feet even hit the ground, you feel that familiar ache in your lower back. You stretch, twist, maybe even blame your mattress, but it's still there the next morning. You're not alone. Millions of people wake up with this every morning. I'm Dr. Faust, chiropractor and movement specialist. I'm going to explain to you today exactly why that's happening and what you can do to fix it for good. So here's what's really going on. As you're sleeping, between 6 to 8 hours, your spine is actually decompressing, which is a good thing. Your discs are pulling in more fluid, they're getting larger, but this does make your spine more sensitive to bending, twisting, and slouching first thing in the morning. A lot of people, first thing they do is they grab their phone, they get in the car to go driving, and your lower back really takes the hit. You add in tight hip flexors, weak glute muscles, weak core muscles, sleeping in a twisted sleep position, your lower back is really going to struggle. A lot of people like to blame their pillows or their mattresses. That's rarely the full story. The real culprit is going to be muscle imbalances and lack of morning mobility. You've been still all night. A lot of people, they're busy, so they don't take the time to properly stretch and move their body when they should. 3 big things or mistakes I see in my patients every day is 1, bending too soon. Your discs are most hydrated first thing in the morning. So this forward bending, touching your toes, it puts extra pressure on your lower spine. 2 is going to be sitting right away. You wake up, you check your phone or you hop in the car, like I said prior. That's going to shorten your hip flexors and it shuts off your glute muscles, putting more of that strain on your lower back. When your core's asleep, your lower back works overtime to try to stabilize your body. So it's not just your back is tired, it's overworked. So what do we do to fix this? I'm going to show you a series of different exercises to do first thing in the morning to help alleviate this lower back stiffness waking up. And this should really help and take care of the problem if you're doing it properly. Okay, so here's a quick 5-minute morning workout routine to help with the lower back stiffness in the morning. So 1 is going to be pelvic tilts. You're going to do around 10 to 15 reps. So what you want to do is go on the back, knees bent. Come on in for this one. What you're going to do is you're going to flatten out your back against the ground or the bed. Relax. Flatten, relax, flatten. That is going to align your shoulders, your lower back, and your hips and take pressure off of your lower back. Second one is going to be a hip flexor stretch. So on this, you're going to come on up. You're going to get on one knee, one leg up. You're going to tuck your pelvis under, and then you're going to lean forward. You're going to feel a big stretch all through the front. This is going to take pressure off those muscles that are pulling on your lower back all night. You're going to hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Of course, you'd switch and do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure to tuck the pelvis and lean through the hips. Third one is going to be a cat-cow. So this one, you want to get on knees and you want to get on the hands as well. This, you want to arch and you want to come down just like that. This one, you're going to do between 15 to 20 reps. Next one is going to be glute bridges. So what you're going to do here, you're going to get on the back again, legs bent. Then you're going to tighten your core, engage the glutes. You're going to come up and down, up and down. This is going to wake up the glute muscles. This one, you want to do between 20 to 30 reps. Give an extra 30 seconds to a minute. What you should do to finish it off is going to be a child's pose. So you're going to get on the knees, you're going to have arms forward, you're going to come back. And this is going to open up the lower back and open up the hips. You're going to hold this between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Try this routine tomorrow morning and tell me how it feels by the end of the week. You want to do this every morning. Drop a comment below if you wake up with back pain. I'll personally reply with a tip for your individual situation. If this video helped, go ahead and like and subscribe for future science-based videos to help keep you moving pain-free. I'm Dr. Faust, helping to realign your body and your day. Take care, y'all.